Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And what are we going to be painting today?
A butterfly.
Yes, I love butterflies. What colors do we need for that? They have lots of choices.
Yes. We need black, light green, dark green, white, and blue.
Ooh, that sounds colorful. Let's get started. All right. All right, first off, let's go ahead and start with the body. And that's going to be right around here. And also
The head.
the head. Okay. And then what we could do is you can kind of do your antennas however you like. They can be whatever shape or whichever way they're going. I'm going to do mine like these.
Mine
Great.
kind of looks like a roach.
Okay. All right. So, and now we're going to go this way for the first part of the wing. Nice. Okay. And we're going to go this way for the other wing.
Like that?
Yes. Very nice. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start working our way back down, and you just kind of have like these wavy lines until you get to the bottom of the body here.
Okay.
Good. And same with this side too. So we're going to go wavy lines. Take your time, nice and slow.
There.
Good. Good. Okay, so now they're kind of about even. They're about here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back the other way.
Like that.
And same with this side. Good. Okay, then we're going to make, these are called swallowtail butterflies because they got these really cool last part on their wing. Kind of goes like that.
That's cute.
Perfect. And same on the other side. So we're going to go like this. And it almost looks kind of like a water drop. Good. Okay, and now finally, we keep it going wavy until you get to right about here and it comes straight up. Good, and same thing here. And then when you get to there, it goes straight up. Okay, and now we're going to make another line right here. And this one is basically going to run parallel to everything we just did. So stay with me here for just a second. Okay, when you get down to here, we're going to go across and up. And this will make a little bit more sense once we color it.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, now same thing on the other side. We're going to go parallel So you get here. Just take your time. We're going to go all the way around.
Like that.
Yes, just like that. Well, this is going to be so colorful. I think it's time to fast forward and bring our butterfly to life.
No, no, no.
Well, we are back from fast forwarding and these look spectacular.
Yeah.
What did we do? We mixed up a lot of paint here. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what we did?
So for the blue, we mixed up dark blue and white. And for the mint green, we mixed up white and green.
Uh-huh.
And I think that's it.
Okay, well, what else do we have to do?
Our signature.
Yes. Well, we want to thank everybody for joining us again for another creation by Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your butterfly, and we hope to see you next time.
Bye-bye.